Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create a fighting video and it will need use the one picture. How is that possible? And what's the tool to create that? So don't go anywhere because this tutorial will show you the step by step to do it. And without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step you need to do is install this Pixverse from the Play Store if you are the user of Android phone, and also if you are the user of iPhone or iOS, then you can install it from the App Store. And let's get into this pics first. And also don't forget to do the login first so that this application will earn you this 20 credit to do the creation over here. And since we would like to create the fighting video, then we will go to this template and we will use the template name that versus me. So how to create this video? So the photo need the two people in it, or the photo itself needs or contains two people in it. So we can use this template, and let's say I will select this picture, and as you can see, this effect will need 20 credits on it. So since we have 20 credit to do creation, so it will be enough. So you can go on to create it and generate this effect first, and it will let you to wait for this application to do the generation, and you can explore more. As you can see, the 20 credit left has been used since we have choose that last effect. And as you can see, this is the notification that our video is ready. Then you can go to this menu of notification and click this result. There you go. Isn't that fun, right? So you can practice it by yourself and use your favorite photo. And also you can post it into your social media from these options, or if you can simply save it by download this video through this button. So that's all guys from me. Don't forget to try it and explore more by yourself into your device, and please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. So don't forget also to give this video a like and subscribe for this channel to watch more another video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.